Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to teach you a new technique of making a sleeve. This technique is called as a cut and slash method. This is a kind of advanced sleeve making. So if you like this video and if you want to learn more advanced pattern like this, do subscribe my channel and also don't forget to hit on the like button below. So let's get into the video to make this beautiful sleeve, and sure will enjoy this video. So let's get into the video. So to begin this project you need your 3/4 sleeve pattern. So to make that 3/4 sleeve pattern you have to make a pattern for 15 inches, which is going to be the length. So from that 15-inch sleeve pattern you're going to mark a 9-inch of straight line, and I'm going to mark the center point as well, and I'm going to just give a notch at the mid of the sleeves. And now I'm going to slash the sleeves. So make sure you add a 3 slash to the one side of the sleeve, and you're going to cut this into the line like this. Now open the pattern and you're going to extend the line, and you're going to cut into the center part of the sleeve. Okay, and now we're going to separate the slashed one, just leaving a 1/2 inch at the end. Okay, and once after cutting this I'm going to number the pattern because everything has been separated. I don't want to misplace that, so I'm just going to mark 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. And once it's done I'm going to place these patterns on a paper like this. So I have stuck the pattern on a chart paper like this by leaving a point 1.5 on each pattern, which is marked as 1 2 3 4. And also I from the 9-inch sleeve I just left like a 2-inch to the center, and all you have to do is you have to align your pattern exactly how I have showed in this video. Okay, so I'm going to mark the margin and I'm going to cut the pattern out. Okay, so once after marking the exact pattern I'm going to cut out the extra chart papers like this. Okay, so you're going to cut out the exact trim. Okay, so now I'm going to place this pattern on a piece of fabric. I have folded the fabric in half, and I'm going to match the folded edge of the pattern matching to the fabric, and I'm going to cut out the exact of my pattern. So before making this project, make sure you measure your sleeve open. That's very important because we're going to add a contrasting color fabric for the sleeve open. Okay, so now my pattern is ready. So a beautiful red color fabric. So now to go underneath of this, that's the end of the sleeves, I'm going to attach this piece of strip fabric. So now I have opened the sleeves. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take to the machine. I'm going to gather this out. So how you're going to gather is just make a 5-inch of stitch line. Just put a big stitch, and you're going to gather it just by pulling out the thread like this. Okay, so whenever you're making any kind of gathering, make sure you align your stitch line, which is the biggest stretch in your machine. So normally it would be like number 5. So I just made a stitch and I have gathered. So once it's done I'm going to stitch this piece facing pretty sides together, and I'm going to sew it, and I'm going to down like this. So now our 90% sleeve has been done. The last thing is to join the pretty sides together, and you're going to close the seam of 0.5 inches. And now my sleeve is ready. So hope you enjoyed this video, a beautiful westerny kind of sleeve pattern making. And if you like this video and if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button below.